Okay, y'all, today we are decorating and cleaning the bathrooms and the bedroom, and I have a really fun DIY for if you live in a small space to get the most out of that space. Also got a new basket in that I'm going to be transferring all of my towels into because the one I'm using now, y'all will see it in a minute, is ridiculously small, and all of our towels just like kind of go over it. But here's just an overview of all the things I'm using. The next video is going to be a Christmas home tour, so definitely be looking out for that. I think it's going to be the day after tomorrow, so very soon. But I'm gonna get this bathroom straightened up, that way we can go ahead and decorate in here and then decorate in the bedroom.
Now my days are filled with emptiness and strain. No more bells or snow, no time to let love grow. I wish I could go back to Christmases gone by and feel the glowing light shining through the night. I hope that there will come a day when I can ride on Santa's sleigh. Christmas is a time for wonder. Lovers can be put as under dreams come true.
One way I like to decorate and work with the space that I have is to use a soap dispenser for the season. That way I'm not taking up any extra space than I would have already been taking up. And another thing I like to do is just add picks to wall planters. So this is just an easy way to decorate for the season without taking up any of that surface space that you need to utilize practically.
Christmas time is full of wonder. Friends cannot be put as under. Dreams come true in blaze and glory. There's no room for painful stories. Ooh,
As you can see, this little collapsible bin is just not doing it for me when it comes to towels. These are so crammed in here and it's just not a good look. So I recently got this large cotton rope basket, and it's for a baby laundry basket, but you can use this for so many different uses. It is from the brand Goodpick. I have used their products before. In our living room, we use with a basket just like this for our blankets, but it is 100% natural cotton rope and it weighs 3 pounds. It holds clothes, blankets, comforters, cushions, kids' toys, towels, pillows, bedding, and more. It's perfect for a bedroom, laundry room, entryway, playroom, living room. You could use this just about anywhere. I love that this one has handles, and it's the perfect size for our bathroom, and it is so durable, y'all. It's so thick. I love this material. It's soft and it gives me that warm and cozy vibe that I'm always looking for. And I just placed it in our bathroom. I was able to put 9 large towels in there, and if I wanted to, I could put at least one more in there. But I'm going to leave Goodpick's link in the description box. So baskets like the one I just showed y'all can run super expensive, and on their website is $22 That is crazy affordable. So definitely, if you are on the need for a lot of storage solutions, check out Goodpick's website because they have a ton. It's very versatile. You can use them for all sorts of different things. So thank you, Goodpick, also for partnering with me again on this video. I really appreciate it. So now we're going to get into decorating the bedroom, and our bedroom is super small. Like, we live in a single wide mobile home. It's about, I think, 960 square feet, so not very big, but it's big enough for the two of us. I think it's the perfect size for two people. But I have this little really rustic, like vintage Santa that I'm gonna put right here by my lamp, and that's all I'm putting there. Another tip, if you live in a small space, take those pillowcases off your pillows and switch them out for a seasonal color. You can find pillowcases online for super cheap, and they do a really good job of giving you that Christmas spirit without taking up any extra room.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so wrapped up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy right here by the Christmas tree.
Again, with thinking about decorating vertically, I have these little wreaths on my wall, and instead of going out and buying brand new wreaths just for Christmas, I'm going to add my regular Christmas ornaments. I'm sure we all have some extra ornaments laying around the house, and I'm going to add those to these wreaths that I actually DIY'd, I think, last year. I don't know when I did this last year, but I'm pretty sure it was last year, and it wasn't a video. But I got the metal frames from Walmart, and then it's like eucalyptus or lamb's ear garland, which was right beside it, by the way, in the craft section. So I DIY'd those a while back, and then now I'm just going to put these little Christmas ornaments on there, and you'll see I put this one back and it's totally crooked. It looks like a crescent moon right now, but I do fix it eventually. I thought this was just a really cool idea, and it's, again, not taking up any extra room on your surface areas. So I love that idea of decorating the walls versus decorating counters and tables and all that stuff. It just makes it to where you are still able to utilize your space. Like, for example, in the kitchen, instead of decorating all the countertops and filling that up with decor, you could put just lots of different pieces of wall art on the walls. It's going to give you that same feeling of it being decorated for Christmas, and you're still able to use your countertops. So hopefully this idea of decorating vertically is helpful for y'all. I know I didn't come up with it. It's been around for, I'm sure, hundreds of years, but I'm just throwing it out there that if you want to make it maximalist, like do a lot of stuff in a space, you can do that with using your walls.
conscience clear. Now I'm meaning to ask you, hoping you'll take this right. Girl, have you got plans for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Don't you think that the holiday should be all about love? Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of. I've bought a tree, we can dress together. Oh, I put a turkey to roast, stuffed with nutmeg, apple, and butter. So now I'm asking you, hoping you'll take this right. Do you wanna make plans with me for Christmas night? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Girl, why don't we now?
I hope y'all enjoyed this decorate with me and just found it, I don't know, I guess refreshing would be a good word to say it. I love watching those channels that have extravagant Christmas decorating and all sorts of seasonal decorating, but your girl lives in a regular home with regular decor and, like, it's just realistic, if I dare to say. So I hope that is fun for y'all. Like, that there is a variety of different things you can watch on YouTube. You can watch this video and be like, yes, a house like mine. And then the next video you can watch could be like a house like the Kardashians, and it's all fun. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back here very, very soon for another video. This is what I did in Aaron's bathroom. I didn't change it up too much because he likes things where he last laid them, so I didn't want to move stuff around, and I just sprinkled in a little Christmas stuff in here. So I will see y'all back here hopefully the day after tomorrow for another video. I hope you're blessed, and I'll see you then.